Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another beautiful sunrise. I hope you have an amazing day. Bitcoin pumping above 110,000. Our trades from 2 days ago are massive in profits, and Tesla also, which is beautiful, up 7%. We're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tesla, and World has been requested a lot. I haven't bought back into World, and I've taken it off my watch list, but I will look into it. I'm not sure why I've taken it off my watch list. I want to concentrate on Nvidia, Tesla, Google, Bitcoin, Ton, Uni, and a few others. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Trades are pumping. 830 they count on the week. On the 3 months, up from 500 on the month, almost about flat on the week, up 16k from the low. From the start of the week. Bitcoin pumping. My trades from 2 days ago, 7th of June, we were buying at 102k and 104k, and now we're at 100. Almost we hit 110,000 last night. Funding fee has gone positive. My Bitcoin trade $15,000 in the profits in 2 days, and the Ethereum trade, I got 3 Bitcoin for 104,600. Now we're sitting at 109,800. Liquidation price is 98,000. The trade is $313,000. We made 15,700 in those 2 days, and it cost $123 in fees. Where can you spend $123 to make $15,000? Anywhere else in the world? I don't know. Ethereum also pumping. 50 Ethereum, $122,000 trade, $10,000 in profits, which is beautiful. Let's jump into the technicals. Uni pumping 7%. My Uni trade's also pumping. Let's check out my Uni trades. Uni trades 57,000 and Ton up 7% Uni. You can see where we were buying Uni on that dip perfectly. You can see where we've been buying Uni. Let's go further back here. So just before the pump, so we were buying it at $5.80 and now we're at $6.80. Which is beautiful. And Ethereum up 6%, Doge up 5%, Tesla was up 5% plus 2% after hours, Ton was up 5%, Bitcoin 3%. The markets are pumping, which is good. Let's go into Bitcoin, 109,870 on the weekly chart. Crypto Guru Bot and Bitcoin Indicator Bot. Bitcoin Indicator Bot is the Crypto Guru Bot is still a blue buy. It fired it back in 2023 at 20k. It's still a blue buy now. You get it in the master course with the Bitcoin Indicator Bot, jamescryptoguru.com. Buy, fired, and it's heading up. Stochastic and RSIs are heading up, which is beautiful. Everything is heading up, actually. Every signal, Bitcoin Indicator Bot, Crypto Guru Bot, RSI, Stochastic, Squeeze Mob, all heading up, which is good to see. We invalidated the C wave. If you followed my video yesterday and the day before, we invalidated the C wave. It's heading up very strongly. RSI, everything. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a buy on the daily, and it looks like a huge bull flag, everyone. Who sees this massive bull flag? We've got like a pole. See? Pole and flag. Pole and huge bull flag forming. If this breaks out, target is 132,000. If it keeps going, so everything is heading up on the stochastic. On the 4-hourly, we've now invalidated the C wave, which I thought and I posted about, and now we're heading up. And if you followed me on X and on my videos, I posted this as we you can follow me on X. 108,900 pumping to 107,000. This was 12 hours ago. Ethereum trades from 2 days ago. 1 day later, people call him, you were the GOAT man. Thank you. 2 days later on Bitcoin, congrats gurus. And this was 2 days ago. Bitcoin looks like it's going to invalidate the C wave correction. Everything is coiling up, increasing my Bitcoin trade, V-shaped recovery, inverse head and shoulders. And that 2 days later, we are pumping, which is amazing. Congratulations, everyone. Let's go into the technicals again. Bitcoin pushing out. This inverse head and shoulders is playing out. Shoulder, head, shoulder, almost hit the target and coming to all-time high. Bitcoin coming to all-time high almost. Let's see. If there is a pullback, I would try to catch it. I think there could be a support here, 106,800. And then take profit. I would take it all the way to the bull market top targets, which is September 2025. here. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Opening at 106,800, stop loss at 106,000, and take profit at 147,000. Risk toward 51 times, risking $800 to make $41,000. Where in the world can you risk $800 to make $41,000? That's without leverage per Bitcoin. Without leverage, 10x leverage would be $410,000 profit. Again, the trade opens 106,800, stop loss 106, and take profit 147, and it's a 51 risk to reward ratio, which would be beautiful. Let's see how this giant bull flag plays out on Bitcoin. Congratulations everyone who took the trades with me. Massively in the profits. Let's check out Ethereum, also massively in the profits. Ethereum pumping since we bought it. Our Ethereum trade up $10,000, which is beautiful. I actually had this trade I had 100 Ethereum position. Would have been good to keep it actually. Let's go into I reduced it slightly. Ethereum looks like a massive bull flag is about to play out. Look at that. On the 4-hourly, huge bullish bull flag. Flag forming on Ethereum. Target of this bull flag is 3,300. Looks like it's about to break out. If you haven't taken a long, I would try to take it from support. But it does look like on the daily. Let's check out on the weekly. On the weekly, it's back in the triangle bull flag. Looks like it's going to go to the top of the resistance. And this time it can actually break out. It's finished the symmetrical triangle on the weekly. Target 7,500. On the daily, we're pushing out. If you haven't taken a trade, try and take it from support. Actually, I'm going to add more to my trade now, because the stochastic on the daily and the RSIs are all heading up. You see, from oversold. It's going to pump. Ethereum might not stop pumping here. I would take a trade from 2,628, tight stop loss, and take profit at 3,300. This is the trade I would take. 2,600, stop loss 2,000. No, I would lower it a little bit if there's some kind of pullback. This one, 2,575, stop loss 2,542, and take profit 3,300, risk draw 23 times. Also, I'm just going to increase my Ethereum trade here directly. Already pushed out since we bought. I'm going to add 20 Ethereum to my trade at the current price. 30. Let's do 30 Ethereum to the current price. Confirm 30 Ethereum, 4,000 order cost. Let's increase it. 40 Ethereum. Confirm 40 Ethereum, going to cost me $5,000. Confirm. Boom. Oh, let's up it to 100. So my said screen. I increasing my Ethereum trade to 90. Let's bump it one more, 10 Ethereum, so it's a clean 100 Ethereum. Confirm. Opening it at the current price. Confirm 100 Ethereum. So now I've got 100 Ethereum, which is valued at 255,000 and 3 Bitcoin. I increased my Ethereum position. You could wait until a little bit of a pullback, better possible if you wait till 2.5. Safest place to take it, this would be a safer trade from the weekly support, 2,500, stop loss 2,488, take profit 3,346, risk toward 35 times, $23 per Ethereum to make 838, no leverage, 10x leverage would be 8,300. But I did add more to my Ethereum trade on this bull flag potentially pumping out, which is beautiful. World, WLD, USDT, World. I haven't entered back into World. We are getting a push out on the daily, on the weekly, very oversold. Stochastic and RSI heading up. On the daily, stochastic RSI heading up from very oversold. They're about to push out, looks like. Let's see if there's any pattern here. It's a bottoming formation, V-shaped recovery, and it's about to break out. The low here on World was $1.10. You can clearly see a channel. I might add some World here actually. Let's add some World. Let's add, I want to add it to my favorites. Let's add WLD, USDT. I think I was working on Bybit with this one. Just bought. Same patterns that I just drew. Yeah, I'll add some World here. The low was, it only went up 10% since the bottom here, but since 50% we're up a lot. But I'll add some world here as spot. Spot, world, uni pumping, world USDT. No, I want spot. World spot, USDT, up 5% world. Around where I sold it, actually, where I closed out. I closed here and then at $1.10 and then dropped to $1. Already up 13%. Let's add $20,000 worth of world. $20,000. Let's see if it creates, and I'll add $10,000 at the current price. So I'll buy $30,000 world when these trades execute. Let's see if they execute. It'll be $30,000 worth of world. So I have 57,000 of uni, 56,000 of ton, and I'm about to buy $30,000 worth of world if these trades activate, which is beautiful. All the links are down below. Bybit, you get a 60k bonus. It's if you've been getting liquidated or if you have high fees, Bybit is the best for trading like I use. Weex is second best. You get $200 bonus just for signing up, and Weex is available worldwide, KYC free worldwide. $200 just for signing up, USA, UK, and Australia. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram to join everyone and to learn all of this. Join us in the Telegram. People discussing. This guy made 888% on his Bitcoin trade. People celebrating. I thought we should close now, wait for a correction. This guy made $538 on Bitcoin. People enjoying their gains, which is amazing. Congrats everyone, 48%. Elon Musk deletes the post saying that we're going to have a recession. That's my, there's questions. Hello, Guru. What price will you buy world at? Just done. World, e-gold if there's more requests. Thank you for doing so. You're welcome. Thank you, Nimri. Cardano, if there's more requests, 5 already. I'll do Cardano in the next video, everyone. That's my updates in the market. Big congratulations on our trades and our gains. My world trade is activating. World trade starting to activate. One filled already. So I've got now $10,000 worth of world. My spot is up 27,000 today, which is amazing. And our trades are pumping. That's my updates in the market, everyone. That's my updates in the market. Big congratulations on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ton, Uni. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you have any questions, let me know. Have an amazing day. Congratulations on the gains. Use this money to help people. Only think what you want to have happen. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.